Okay, this is James, amateur call sign, KG5PT from Belton, Texas, on Monday, July 15th, 2024. I've got the second TYT MD-9600 turned on, and I've got the backlight on the radio set to shut off to go dark after a couple of seconds, which is normal if you just tap it. But notice that the keypad light on the microphone is on. Now watch what happens when I shut the radio off. Radio's powering down, but the keypad stays lit. The keypad light is on. It did not cut off. The radio is turned off, but the power supply is still on. Now watch what happens when I cut the power supply off. The keypad goes blank, goes dark. So I'm going to turn the power supply back on. Radio is off, but if you notice, the mic keypad lit back up. So what has failed in this radio is my question. Is it a transistor? Is it a diode? I'd like TYT to answer this problem. Thank you.